Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Take the circle command. From the center point, we are going to construct a dia 200 mm. Okay, and one dia here from the center point at 150 mm. Okay, now here go to the line command and we are going to construct a center line. Now escape, select this line, make it construction. Now here go to rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Similarly one rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, define the distance from center line as 10 mm. Similarly distance from this side also 10 mm. Okay, the width of this rectangle here is 25 mm. This also 25 mm. Okay, now here select this top and select the center point. This will be a height of 140 mm. Go to trim command, trim this profile, this profile, this and this, and here we will trim this center and trim this center. Okay, so this will be a cutout profile. Now go to line command, make one line here, one line here, one line here and one here and joining till this circle. Go to dimension, define this dimension as 25 mm. Similarly this dimension here as 25 mm. Okay, from this outer the center here will be at 160 mm and from center this outer will be at 150 mm. Okay, now go to mirror command, select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select this line, apply and done. Okay, now go to trim this profile and trim this profile. Go to dimension, define this again as 100 and this also as 100 and okay. Go to trim once again. Now trim this profile, trim this and trim this. Okay, now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Now you can see this has become a common profile. Now here we will take symmetric and here we are going to take distance of 200 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 20. Okay, go to dimension, from corner edge the center here will be at 40 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center, now go to rectangle pattern, select the circle, select direction 1. Okay, go to exit, go to project geometry and project this line. Escape. Now here we have a guiding line. Now go to rectangle pattern once again, select this circle, go to direction 1, select this line. Here we will take count of 4 and the center to center distance is 40 mm. Press OK. Now finish sketch, take extrude and select all the profiles. Here we are going to take cut and the distance we have taken 200 mm and press OK. Okay, now here select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 30 mm. Go to dimension, from back end the center here will be of 35 mm and center from this corner will be at 30 mm. Okay, similarly we are going to make one circle here, go to circle command. Make one circle here of dia 30. Go to dimension. From this corner, the center here will be at 35. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Select the center. So this is aligned. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select both the profiles. Take here direction 2. This will be a cut profile and press OK. OK. Now go to origin. Select here the mid plane. So we will select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the line command. We are going to make a rib profile. So select this corner. Select here this end. So for this end you will select the green point and select this as joining profile. Go to dimension. Here we will define this distance as 95 mm. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Take here symmetric extrude and take a distance of 20 mm and press OK. OK. Now go to mirror command. Select this rib and select this whole profile. We have selected extrude 3 and 4. Go to mirror plane and we are going to select the mid plane, the YZ plane. Rotate the view. You can see the same profile is being constructed here. Press OK. OK. Go to home. So this was a basic part. Now we will define the appearance. So you can give any color. I'll take here the red color. Okay. I'll take red, light red. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.